Okay. It's been a minute. Hold on, let me make sure this glass is clean. Hey, what's good, y'all? How are you all doing? It is yours truly, Rick the Prince. You're watching Service Town. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I basically just wanted to talk to y'all for a minute. You know, it's been a while since your boy has been on YouTube, so I just wanted to talk about, you know, what's been happening with me and, you know, be a little transparent with y'all. I picked up a new hobby. I got tired of wasting my money at bars and stuff, so I'm making drinks now at home. Not a professional. This video is not sponsored by anything, none of that. I'm just something that I want to do for myself, you know, for my own sanity, you know. So I'm taking like every week, I'm gonna take like a different drink and like try to put my spin on it, try to learn it, just one drink at a time, you know, nothing serious. And yeah, this week is the first week and we are doing a lemon drop martini. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that while I talk about, you know, I'm not really gonna be like, I guess I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to make it somewhat, but this is mostly just to talk to y'all about what's been going on. I took an extended social media break after a lot, man. After a lot. This year has been a year, to say the least. And I want to talk about why social media breaks are important. I think we all get caught up in what's cool, what's trendy, what we should be doing. I know so many people are trying to, you know, build their brands and kind of figure out where they fit in. You know, we see all these people, especially now with social media and TikTok and Instagram and all this stuff going viral, seems like overnight, and just becoming really successful. And you know, people that really know me know I've been doing YouTube since 2016. Yeah, this channel, we talk about music. This is music commentary. I also have my show Beneath the Surface that where I interview independent artists. Okay, the whole lemon. I interview independent artists about their music, their musical journeys. I started that in 2019, I think I said that already. But yeah, it's been a very, very, very great outlet for me to get to know people. You know, I've been working on my social media, not my social media, my networking skills. You know, I'm not an introvert, but it's you know, meeting new people is not easy. You know what I mean? So, but doing that show has really helped me step out of my comfort zone and get to know people on that level. But yeah, social media can really bring you down. I'm never one to hate. Listen, I'm never one to hate on anybody. Never want to hate on anybody. Like if you're out here making moves and doing what you need to do, I support you. You know what I mean? I support you. But there's just a lot of stuff that can go into, I got a seed in there. We don't want that. So I'm just gonna dump that out. No seeds in our drink. But yeah, it's just, I'm never one to hate, but I also have to make sure that I'm meeting my own goals. And y'all like sugar or salt on y'all rim? I don't know. I like sugar. I like sugar on my rim. But I never hate on anybody. You know, I always love to see people achieving their goals and reaching, you know, any obstacle that they wanted to overcome and all that good stuff. Like, I'm here for it. But sometimes you just gotta step away. You know, sometimes you just have to step away from social media, because, you know, it could be a little discouraging. You know what I mean? I've been, okay, son, the sun is gonna do what it wants to do, but we're gonna continue. Yeah, make sure I get this liquor right. You know, everybody knows that social media is a highlight reel. Nobody really posts when they're down. Nobody really posts when they're depressed. Nobody really, you know, gives us the real. You know what I mean? Got my syrup, my simple syrup, you know. My fiance taught me how to make this. You know, it's just sugar and water. You boil it, and so we made our own simple syrup that I'm gonna be using for my drinks or whatever. Half an ounce of that. I did 2 ounces of vodka. That's the standard. Now, if you're trying to get messed up, I'm sure you can add more. But yeah. I had a goal, like when the year first started, you know, because 2020 was such a horrible ass year. I was like, I'm going to do what I need to do. I'm gonna go hard with Surface Town. I'm gonna do these album reviews, these song reviews, music video commentary. Like, I was going to go hard. And you know, if you look at, you know, my channel, the beginning of the year, I was really cranking out the content, and then I started getting discouraged again. Because I didn't really think that people were really invested in what I had to say and what I was doing. And you know, you spend a lot of time filming, researching, editing, promoting. You know, you spend a lot of time doing all these things, and you know, I like to put a little bit extra lemon juice in my stuff. So, you know. And then, you know, you get 5-10 views, and yes, those are 5-10 views, but it's just like, you know, when is it gonna grow? You know what I mean? Because I know my content is good. I know my quality is good, my audio, my sound, my aesthetic, like my thumbnails. Like, I have all the boxes checked off. You know what I mean? But it's just nothing's really happening. And so between that and, you know, personal things, you know, my family had to come stay with me for a while, and my fiance caught COVID, and, you know, I had to get laid off work for that. And, you know, some other stuff recently that just happened that just really just had me just gotta get away from social media, for my sanity. You know what I mean? And I believe in using social media for good. You know, I promote my content. You know, I talk about, you know, my friends and stuff like that, and just interests, hobbies, things that I like, music that I like. Y'all know I love music. That's why I created Surface Town. The channel is about music. I need ice. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got ice. All right. So yeah, I got really discouraged around, I would say, like March, and it is now May, and you know, I'm trying to will myself out of this, because it sucks, you know. It sucks because if you give up, then you're never gonna really know if, you know, you're never gonna reach your goals if you give up. And my problem is consistency. Like, I always stop and then start and stop and then start. And like, when am I ever going to get to this point where I'm consistent? You know, that's why I had to take that social media break, man. Come on, Last Cube. All right, here comes the fun part, y'all. Not really. I really don't like this part. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna cap. I don't like it. Circular motion, circular motion. Okay. Okay. Y'all watch this. Yes, sir. Good old lemon drop. But a cocktail would never be complete without a little chambonge, a little decor. So I'm gonna take this. Okay, that one kind of messed up. That one kind of messed up. We're gonna do a different one. Take this. Put it right here. Voila. You have a lemon drop martini. That's gonna cost you about $10. Yes, indeed. Let's taste it. Hold on. See, I like lemon drop because it's easy to make. You don't need a lot of ingredients. And it's the sweet of the sugar rim and the tanginess of the lemon. You know, I love a sweet and sour blend. Really good. I'm excited. My first drink. So I don't know if I'm gonna make this like a weekly thing. I'm gonna do like different. I'm definitely going to do a different drink. But as far as like making a video, doing it, don't know. We'll see how this one goes. But yeah, I just want to talk about social media. Y'all, if y'all are feeling, if y'all get on social media and every time y'all see something and it just brings you down, just remember that you are in control of your own life. You determine how it goes and you're not them. You know what I mean? They're just posting their highlights. Hold on. They're posting their highlights. You know what I mean? You don't know what they're going through outside of social media. You know what I mean? So the same way you're feeling a certain type of way, they may be driving around in nice cars and on beaches and doing all this extra stuff, but they're going through stuff too. So just look at it through that lens and never compare yourself. Never. That's I don't do that. I don't do that. Never have. Don't compare yourself to nobody else. Take that time off of social media to learn yourself. Stop wrapping yourself up in other people's drama. When you thinking about putting a comment down that may be a little ugly, don't. Just don't do it. Only promote positivity, you know, with yourself. Be honest with yourself. And take breaks. Like, don't go on Instagram, Twitters, TikTok. Don't do none of that all day. Just do other things, you know what I mean? Catch up on a show, read a book, exercise. I've been doing a lot of that lately. Draw, knit, quilt. Pick up a new hobby, you know what I mean? I mean, the sky is really the limit. So, yeah. Beneath the Surface is coming back May 27th, which is my birthday. I'm very excited. But yeah, I need you guys' help. I need you guys to, you know, keep me going and stay on top of me. Like, if I ain't posted in a couple weeks, Rick, what you doing? Where's the video? Like, you know what I mean? There's some dope music that's been happening. You know, the Doja Cat, I'm loving what she's doing. SZA, I'm loving what she's doing. You know, I'm definitely got some more videos coming, but I just wanted to get on here and just let y'all know that you are beautiful inside and out. Rick the Prince said that. So it's true. It got to be true. So yeah, I'm yours truly, Rick the Prince. Y'all make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to have a new video up later on this week. But yeah, stay blessed. Follow me on social media, all that good stuff. Follow me on social media. After you take your break, follow me on social media. Links are in the description. But yeah, mental health is important. And always make sure you're good up there in the brain. But yeah, lemon drop martini. What? A ½ ounce of sweet syrup, simple syrup, 2 shots of vodka, lemon juice. That's it. And just make it look pretty. All right, Rick the Prince, we out.